want a regular cycle? I get this question asked by women all over the world of any age. And I want to give you a simple tip from Chinese medicine from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi. I want you to consider putting in sunflower seeds into your soups, salads, and smoothies daily until you get 3 consistent cycles. The dosage, 2 tablespoons daily. Now, why is this so great for you to regulate your cycle? Simply put, they help balance out estrogen and progesterone so that you may have a regular cycle, but be consistent with it. And in addition to doing this, I want you to check out our YouTube channel. It's got great series, a 30-day series to help you to be on your way having that regular cycle. Now there's an acupressure tip right on the top of your head. In Chinese medicine and acupressure, the top represents the bottom. So as I'm simply massaging the top of my head, I am stimulating so that you can have a regular cycle. This motion can help bring blood flow to the pelvic floor as well as to the uterine wall so that it can shed, giving you a period. Not to mention, this is actually quite relaxing. So as the cortisol levels go down, you have more available hormone to help you to have that regular cycle. Do this acupressure point couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. And I also want you to consider going to the YouTube channel and picking out any one of the acupressure points. Stay consistent with it, doing it daily, couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. And of course, work with your physician. Add to these recommendations, of course, with any recommendations that you may have from your doctor. Keep this in mind. I want you to have the best resources possible along with the recommendations of your doctor to look and feel your best. From your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.